Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please go ahead to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below in the comment section. So tonight it's a date night for me and babe, which I mean, regardless, it's always day to day or night for both of us, because it's just both of we always apart all the time. So yeah, so tonight we are twinning in the same colors. I'll show you what babe is wearing shortly, and we're ready whenever you are. Okay, I'll show you what babe is wearing shortly, but this is a color. So if you look at my color, then you'll know that he has on something with the same colors, and we look lovely. Because the photographer came and said, you guys want a photo? And we're like, no, not really. And she said, yeah man. And we sat down and we were going to take the picture. We took some pictures while we were seated, but she said, oh no, look too nice, and I have to stand up and take two pictures too. So we stand, and she went ahead and took some photos for us. So they said tomorrow we should go to the gift shop to look at the pictures and see if we like them and we can print them. Hopefully them nice, hopefully them there. If them there, we're leaving it. We're leaving it, okay? So we are at Sorrento restaurant at Holiday Inn. I'll show you the menu shortly, where you guys can go and browse through it to see if it's something that will add to another reason for you to come here. Their restaurants here, they're very lovely. I have to add that. The restaurant, I've been to this restaurant before, because the last time I came, it was one of those breakfast restaurants that they gave you the chance to come and sit to have breakfast. But now, because business are boom, no people, you have to make reservations to come up here. Yeah. So yeah, so I'm going to show you guys the menu. We got a starter to start off. You know, can you come at Italian restaurant? Because it is an Italian restaurant. I forgot to add. So you know, then come and give it this little of bread and olive oil. And I got some wine already and water. So I'm going to turn on the camera and show you guys what's going on.
This moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just...
Guys, so as I said, watch out. Oh, you have to do that. Oh, you have to do that. So babe is in the same color shirt, and he has on white pants. So you guys will see it's full OOTD soon, because him sit down, you can't see him white pants. We never say red tablecloth, we say white pants. Yeah, so we're in the same color, and I'm in these nice shoes too. Yep. So that's what's up. So I'll show you guys the rest of the food when we order, because the lady's gonna come and take our order soon, and then stay tuned. Alright guys? Yay! Alright guys, so we got appetizers. Babe got the same over there. I felt like I wanted ice cream. I've been craving ice cream all day. The ice cream shop was out of ice cream, so I came and got it here. The meal will come out here, but I'm having ice cream, so don't mind me. So yeah, and I'm going to feast on these little shrimp. Honestly guys, I'm not hungry, my belly's full. I'm sorry, but yeah.
In this moment, can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay?
Babe, where you walk with the chopper?
Well, baby, huh? Well, baby.
Look at that big net. They put it on one night, isn't it?
No, you have to have it European tape.
But look at it. Oh God. So I don't know what babe meal looks like. Look at that.
What?
But this is what they gave him to endorse his meal.
Chopper well, baby, you know?
Yeah. So let's see. Main course, I guess, is coming soon. We're going to dive in. Your belly full enough, people. Your belly full till it bulk.
One slice me I take and that's it.
Eh?
One slice and that's it.
My belly is very full too as well because we have been eating. So my belly ram stop right now.
Look, I'm not eat as much as all you are eat.
We both
No,
kind of,
but
because
like-
it actually equal out. Because look at today when you had your burger, you had all the burger, and all I had was
Yeah.
the hot dog. Yeah, so main meal is coming soon. Alright guys, so I'm not sure what kind of fish I got. What do you know what kind of fish I got again? Do you remember?
Soon fillet.
Fillet?
Yeah, man, fillet.
I don't remember. But it's grouper fillet?
Grouper? Yeah.
Okay, grouper fillet. I'm not sure how it was prepared. I can't tell if it's grilled or whatever. I don't remember. So this is my meal here. And this is turned cornmeal with cheese. Listen, we are going to try this. I like to try new things. Alright? So turned cornmeal with cheese, and this is my fish. And babe, introduce your meal first, please.
Blue cheese. Raw veg. Steamed veg. Mashed potatoes. Tomato. And what kind of beef? I don't remember my name my beef, but beef.
Don't forget your chopper to chop up the beef. Because if the beef is well done, why you need that big knife?
Kai thick.
The beef looks dry.
As me say, one slice.
Alright, so guys. Yeah, so we are going to feast on this and we're going to tell you how it tastes, alright? Alright guys, so listen, I'm not going to use any knife. So don't come here looking for me to use knife and you know what? Let's make it delicate. Alright guys, so I'm going to try the turned cornmeal with the cheese. Are you guys seeing me? It's actually good. Turned cornmeal with cheese. Want to try?
Turned cornmeal.
With cheese.
I feel stuff. We haven't all have beef, so we see this.
Cheese along. You did not taste the right too.
Only if I don't know if you use a knife for that shape. Well done, but I taste it.
That bad?
I kind of feeling this is why white people don't eat it well done.
So my mashed potato and cheese was good. Not mashed potato, turn hormeal with cheese. Tastes really good. The fish is really good, but babe on the other end.
Eating fish.
Did you order fish?
Something like that, my other half ordered, so I mean some mine.
What's up with your beef food?
Can't choose.
Huh?
Yeah.
It's well done, but he said
Can't choose.
it's not well. It does not taste good. So out of 10, how much would you rate the beef?
No man, the spice and everything in that beef alright now, but
It's too hot. It's
just too well done.
too well done. Also, it dry out. Yeah, my babe cute though. Sweet boy, you know. You know, like when nobody tell him same sweet and can't take compliment. Watch him. You know, the people that want blush and they know how to blush.
You can't go blush.
Eh?
You can't go blush.
Sweet boy, you know.
No.
Now you. Don't kill up my vibe on my video. Yeah, help me a more than that. Take your time and I eat delicate.
If you eat delicate?
Yeah.
Why?
Keep the sweetness alive. Alright guys, I'm not gonna eat no more. I'm really full, alright? Alright guys, so we're at another restaurant now, and this restaurant is Sea Breeze. We're just here to try the food. So I am going to show you guys the food, and that would be about it. Just about it, right? So I'm going to show you guys the menu too as well, alright? So yeah. Oh, it looks so oily.
Forever, forever, I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Food that is free. It's a seafood restaurant, but you have to pay for the seafood.
No, you get fish.
Fish, oh yeah, fish alone they get free. That's yeah. That's so true. They get fish free. Fish is the only seafood they get free, right? Right?
Let me check. Basically, yeah.
Yeah. And then she said there's one little thing where a little bit of shrimp is in there. But I mean that don't really say much. So yeah.
No, from them to say one little piece, I definitely want
Little piece, yeah.
because remember say them sell shrimp.
And as usual, I bit into the bread already. Don't worry about that. But as usual, bread, butter, yeah. Alright guys, so this restaurant I got the dessert before the meal again. So yeah, that's what's up. They've got some black or rum cake. So black forest cake, right? Yeah, how is it? Alright guys, so the next meal is the seafood. I don't remember what the man said his name. And the mashed potato over here. Alright, babe got snapper. Turn it for me, babe. Turn it around. Babe got snapper. This fish looks like him kill him heavy. That ain't murder him big time. Alright.
Loving this moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment.